What's up, guys? Today my goal is to finish the G10 and wood scales for these knives. You guys can follow along with me. Now these ones, the wood came up a little bit short, so I'm gonna have to take the titanium down to match the wood. those came out awesome. The green is cool, but man, this oak came out amazing. I don't know. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. I'm real excited about these. The next step is to finish the titanium, but I can't do that just yet. Reason being is because you can see the design change that I did, where this screw shows and where this screw doesn't show. So I got these tiny little screws that will have to be countersink into there, and I'm not 100% sure it's gonna work. Let's go over to the drill press and try it out. That worked great. I got it just below the surface, and enough threads are in there. So we're gonna move on to finishing the titanium. Actually, I put this scale on just because I remembered I took the titanium down to match the wood instead of how I normally do it, and I realized that now I have to take the blade down to match that curve. So before I do any more finishing on anything, I'm gonna cut the hardware all to length and do a fit up of everything and see what I need to change, so that way I'm not ruining any finishes, because now I'm gonna have to redo some finishing on part of this scale. But it's coming along nicely.